Should I stay in my current space and renovate it, or should I move? That would be a question that is gonna basically help you to get clarity of what is your next move. We get that a lot from our prospect. We love our space, but it's very outdated. Some of the space planning is not working for us anymore. What should we do? There's another option, there's another location that we're looking at. We don't know if we to move to that new location, or should we renovate and like go through the process of our current space. There is no yes or no answer for it. It depends. It varies from one situation to another. There are 3 points that I can give you that is going to help you to get clear. Find answers for these 3 points. Number 1, what is your downtime? What is it going to cost for you as far as when you close down your office? Is the renovation, the configuration or space planning or design, or I would say the facelift of your space, how long is going to take? Figure that part out. Because if you can use holiday times, like let's say Christmas or like New Year's or any kind of other holidays, it can be very beneficial to you as far as saving costs from paying your team, not losing patients, as far as like seeing patients, and it's gonna affect your cash flow. So you gotta be understanding as far as like what am I doing and how am I doing from my downtime, and plan it ahead of time. That's number 1. Number 2 is what is the cost of moving or staying in the same location. Sometimes if you're leasing your space, sometimes it's better that you look at it and say, okay, what am I paying right now? Maybe you have a longer lease and you already have a better deal with your current location. Or if you're moving to a new space, you might have to pay a higher amount, and it will be more beneficial to stay within your space, right? So understanding what is that like cost of moving, cost of like relocation is to you, it's really important to get clarity on that as well. Relocation. Let's say you basically got a new space, you move to the new space. How does that relocation is going to affect your patient portfolio, right? Like, is it closer to your current office because you create a portfolio for your current patient and they're comfortable, they got used to it, they know it, you get a lot of referral based on where you are and how people interact in that area. So take a look at that as well and determine if that's the best move for you. Hope that helps you. Wishing you an amazing journey ahead.